Hey folks, I'm Leo. We've met in the car with music before, remember? That was in the top 5 trading mistakes video. In this one, I'll explain further some of the topics and share with you the top 5 necessary skills for successful trading. These are not will surely bring you money skills. If you know how to get these, please share and tell me how much you want for it. Rather, I'll tell you what you can do to create the best setting for profitable trading. So first, know the game. The market exists with or without you, and it's no charity. Learn its rules. With Olymp Trade's blog and help center, study how to stay in the game, and then try to win. Now, you can say, well, Leo, but that's a general thing. Well, obviously, I will learn first. Folks, guess what? Most traders rush to make profits without even reaching break-even on their trades. The result? They lose and they never ever come back. So again, you learn to survive first, meaning you make sure your balance doesn't shrink over a few months. Only then try to win, moving to a more aggressive approach. Does that sound simple? You'll see how not simple it is. Well, I'm here to help you. What's next? Discipline. Discipline is not torture. Also, it's not copying the daily schedule of your local Instagram celebrity. Be genuine. Make trading an organic part of your lifestyle. Set a healthy routine for it. For example, define when you start and stop trading. Your primary trading plan, your plan B if plan A fails, and so on. What's the trick here? Traders either do occasional trading or impose an impossibly strict discipline on themselves. Both fail. How to do it right? Start with an hour a day, 30 minutes of chart analysis, 30 minutes of reading market news, and making trades. First on a demo and later on a real account. Third, define your strategy. Do you want to be a batsman or a bowler, a wicket-keeper or all-rounder? You can try all the roles, but you can't be all at the same time. In trading, that means choosing your trading strategy and style. For example, do you want to day trade? Opening and closing trades on currency pairs within the same day? Will you trade mid-term, opening today on Bitcoin and closing later in the week? Or would you prefer an investor-like approach to make an up trade on a stock now and close it next month? Well, possibly. You don't know what to choose. Well, no problem. Start with opening 3 or 4 trades on various instruments after your daily reading of the market news. Plan to close them in 15 to 20 minutes each, within the same hour on the same day. Keeping your initial trading within the short time frame will save your emotional energy, let you comfortably reflect on your trading experience, and make the strategy choosing easier. Fourth, after putting your money in trading, there should be something left to live on. That means don't put your last money in trading. Don't take it away from your leisure activities. Don't leave your weekend without a cinema and your family without ice cream, for God's sake. At the same time, the funds you invest in trading should be big enough to fuel your financial appetite. You can say, but Leo, if my monthly income is a few $100s and I just put, say, $50 in trading, I won't go far with that. That makes sense. So try trading on Olymp Trade's demo while you're putting away a certain amount every month. Later on, with the funds you collect, you'll make a healthy deposit that will stay steady against market fluctuations. Generally, here is the approach. That's your money, manage it smartly. Trading can't be your full-time job right now anyway. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here watching me right now. So treat it like a good hobby, not the last resort and not the miraculous adventure, but rather a way to invest part of your money and obtain some skills that together can bring you some more money with time. Finally, manage your knowledge. I know it's against the trend. Most traders think the more you know, the better. In reality, the quality and practicality of your knowledge matters. Its quantity hardly does. Let's be real. You can study dozens of chart patterns and technical analysis methods. If you can't use them, or they fail to be more often correct than wrong, what's the value of that knowledge? So, my advice is choose a simple strategy that seems usable and try it out. If you get profit in more than 50% of your trades, the strategy is worth looking at further. If not, discard it and move to the next one. Your objective is to form a practical knowledge base that serves you to make profits. You've come to trading to make money, haven't you? Well, keep that in mind and filter all the related knowledge based on whether it serves your objective or not. Your funds will let you know if you're right or if you're wrong on a particular strategy. So, let's summarize. Know the game, set a healthy routine, define your approach, manage your money and knowledge smartly. These are the basics. In other videos, I'll provide more depth, tips, and details on each element. Take care.